Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Barachev and I'm the creator of BACelet version 1.0. I'm just going to take you all through some basic features of the app today. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by logging in as a user of the app. And for the purpose of this, I'm just using President since it's convenient. So we'll log in as Gerald Ford. Hit login. And you'll see on the home page we have several features. We can see the BAC value of the user. We can see the condition. We see the option to request a ride home. We see the sobriety estimate, the messages, and the alcohol consumed. Okay, so let's try to go to the sobriety estimate. So we'll see here that in the sobriety estimate, we have a graph telling us when we'll be sober and a time. And we can also go to the alcohol consumed, which will tell us how much alcohol we drank in standard drinks and in grams of alcohol. We also have a messaging feature, which we can use to message friends. And here my only friend is Richard Nixon. So I'll just go to the chat log and you can see all the messages I've had with Richard Nixon. And if I want to type another one, I can just go, hello, and it sends it to Richard Nixon. So if I go over to friends, I can then see my friend Richard Nixon again. And here I can do some more stuff. I can see all the specific data. I can see his condition, his standard drink amount, and his last check-in time, which I think was yesterday. And I can also set him as an emergency contact by using that button right there. And so whenever my BAC goes above my critical limit, it'll contact Richard. So if I want to set those kinds of settings, like my critical value, I can just go to my settings feature. And as Gerald Ford, I have a profile picture right there. And I have several settings about my height, my weight, and my gender, which determine how much alcohol I drank, just depending on my BAC in these settings. So if I want to change, for example, my minimum emergency BAC or my weight, let's change weight. I can put a new value here. So I'll put in 210. I'll click save. And now it says my weight is 210. So when I go back to alcohol consumed, I have different values. So I've updated the BAC value on the application through the beacon that I've tested it with. And what I've done is I've purposely put in a BAC value that is above my critical limit of 0.17. So what should have happened is I should have sent messages out automatically to all my emergency contacts. And if I go to my messages, I'll see that I sent a bunch of alerts to Richard Nixon, telling him that I'm in a critical condition. And that's essentially the BACelet application. I want to thank you all for watching, and it's been a pleasure for me to make this, and hope you all enjoy.